USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very, very important and very crucial ongoing civil justice sign-off process that I am providing for myself. For I am Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is because United States of American nation with fatal negligence created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to me and enforced finance disability to me and also created enforced finance debt to me. So that is the deadliest crime a nation can provide to a civilian, right? So, and that is why I'm signing off the civil justice for myself in front of all nations. That way I could get the rightful civil justice, rightful finance aid, rightful salary, rightful national benefits, rightful job offer sign off in front of all nations according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil justice. Okay, and it's a multitasking is a wisdom, and I am also displaying all the USA government operation errors, and I'm also displaying the true criminals, absolute monarchs, the satans, the hell creators to USA government, and for that also USA have to provide me salary in the rightful way, right? So I am unemployed now and I need finance assistance immediately. And when United States of America cannot even understand what is finance disability, they should not have even created a finance disability to me at the first place. So then because there's a fatal negligence that displays that how USA nation is disqualified to be a nation, and it is classified as a human endangerment nation after all. So that is why the USA nation is handcuffed by I am that I am, and yes, civil justice must be provided without any delay to me, right? Because I'm in so much of emotional torture because of this financial disabilities enforced on me. Who is USA to even enforce poverty to me? Who is USA to me after all, right? And when I own USA, I should have got all the healthiest national benefits from USA government. I never got anything. I never got any help. So today, with my civil justice sign off in front of all nations, in front of all government, in front of entire human population, let USA nation be in handcuffed mode and pay me all the rightful benefits and job offer and financial aid. Let all the nations see why civil justice always wins all the time. Okay, and I will read this ongoing justice for myself. Okay. So for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica NATO nations, right? There are 19 nations accordingly. So never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge. And it is fatal negligence of NATO nations, that is the 19 nations, to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is the Republica NATO nation, 19 nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica 19 NATO nations. Okay, so there are, what is the error, the crime? NATO 19 nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the classification of domestic violence, and the sub-classification is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress and causation and injury to the brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. So Republica 19 NATO nations with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, then the Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, and also enforced finance disability to I. So it is crime for Republica. 19 NATO nations, when ruling USA, never educated USA, should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I. Vedapriya Prose wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500, and each of 19 NATO nations, union nations, must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion each to be total of approximately tax-free $19,000 billion for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I. Vedapriya Prose displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to United States of American government. I. Vedapriya Prose want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India to be renamed after my name as Vedapriya is civil justice served. I. Vedapriya Prose to be the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. Pope Francis to resign abruptly now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to be the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to be the Supreme Chief Civil Family law judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to become the global poverty relief medical director chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to be the to get the citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope, my dear fellow mankind, we are all in the same page on this very crucial, very important. Civil justice means entire human kingdom will be saved, all nations can be bailed out, and I can start my job with the job offer sign off, and I can also get the rightful salary, rightful national benefits in front of all nations according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.